Look at this beautiful land, my child. Even the sun wakes up early just to admire it. It is truly blessed. From these rivers flowed the strength of our people. Today, we claim our future under this golden sun. This land was blessed long before the world discovered its beauty. Our ancestors lived with dignity, wisdom, and unity.
Here in the market, we trade in smiles as much as spices.
He wanted a discount, but I said, my friend. You are enjoying the rhythm, my queen?
Oh, immensely. You play with the strength of our ancestors tonight. In the heart of the Golden Kingdom, the laughter of the young ones is truly the sweetest melody.
I got you.
Hey, run faster. If you bargain too much, I will start charging you friendship fee.
We must remember those who paved the road, my son.
And they thought they could keep us down, my son. But we Ghanaians, we know who we are.
A nation grows strong when its people respect one another. The year was 1471, when the first ships appeared on the horizon.
Hey, what kind of big canoe is that?
We come in peace and friendship.
You are welcome. Let respect guide us.
I am telling you for the last time, this behavior is unacceptable.
My friend, your shouting will not make us hear you any better.
I said move. This land is now the property of the administration.
Though our land was rich with cocoa, the sweat of our brows only served the colonial masters. We had lost our freedom.
Slowly, friendship turned into control.
My child, never forget who you are.
We thank you for this day, for the blessings bestowed upon our family.
May our children walk in your light.
One day, we shall be free.
A nationwide strike brought the country to a standstill. Not a soul, not a single soul.
Deep within the shadows, where the elders met in secret.
Courage lives inside us.
Our voice must be stronger than fear.
My friends, settle this discussion well, oh. Remember, sharp brains are better than sharp teeth. And that, children, is why we must strive for excellence in everything we do.
Amma, your thoughts?
When the mind is free, the nation becomes free.
Massa, I'm telling you, the way the government is handling things is not proper.
Chairman, relax small. It will be fine. We always complain, but nothing changes.
The future of Ghana is finally in our hands.
Where it belongs.
We must speak wisely, not violently.
It is a great honor to stand before you under this beautiful sky. As I look out at this beautiful gathering, I see the future of our community. Strong, vibrant, and yes, very stylish too. This land belongs to its people.
Freedom, freedom, forever Ghana.
We rise united, black stars shining bright.
Even my sandals are tired, but freedom is calling.
We are not afraid of the rain. We are marching for independence.
Rain cannot stop destiny.
Gentlemen, we must insist you come along.
The leaders complied.
Truth cannot be locked away. When the sun sets like this, it reminds us that every day ends with beauty.
Our children are brave.
The road was long, but hope brought us here. Our tomorrow shall be brighter.
The spirit of these people is powerful.
We demand independence now. The terms are non-negotiable.
This is highly irregular. We cannot accept these terms.
Change is inevitable.
We appreciate your concerns, gentlemen, but the time for self-governance is now.
Very well. It seems an agreement has been reached.
I feel good news in the air. Stretch well, freedom dance needs energy. The movements must flow like the great Volta.
Madam Ya, the rhythm of independence fills my soul.
We must show them our joy. We are free today, my brother.
Yes, madam. Ghana is independent. A new chapter was born. Freedom demands discipline and unity.
And so the real work began, my friends. We built our nation with our very own hands. This road is our future.
And so, with heads held high and hearts full of pride, the people of Ghana built their new nation.
Every life matters.
My crops are growing faster than my beard.
We are building tomorrow.
What a magnificent equalizer. Absolutely stunning. Goal!
Together we win.
Our culture is our pride.
Our nation continues to rise.
We can compete with the world.
Knowledge builds nations.
At first you had your doubts, and that is understandable. But now we see clearly. Together, we can build the future we deserve.
Thank you all for being here today. In our journey forward, remember this. Every voice truly counts.
I will become a pilot. I will build robots.
Our land must stay green.
Even darkness cannot stop our joy. Different tribes, one nation. Our ancestors smile upon us.
Charlie, we do am. We get independence finally.
Yeah! Freedom for Ghana! Arise, Ghana youth, and hail your country!
Freedom! Freedom! Long live our nation, Ghana!
A new day, a new beginning for all of us.
Freedom at last! Ghana is free!
Can you believe it? We are finally free. Independent Ghana at last.
It feels incredible. The Black Star is truly rising today.
And so, on the 6th of March, 1957, we raised our flag high. At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever. Today, Ghanaians stand free. We are happy that we gained our independence from the British. Our struggle was not in vain. Our future now belongs to us.